Hi everyone, today in Integrated Math 1 we're going to go over Chapter 4, Lesson 4. Here are the objectives. Make sure you write them down in your notes. So, we have vertical lines are parallel. As you can see here, remember vertical lines are lines that never cross. And we have two non-vertical lines in a plane that have the same slope, then they are parallel. So, for example, if I said my first slope is equal to 4, if they are parallel, so my M1 for first slope, we have another line for our second slope. If they are parallel, they're going to be exactly the same. The first slope is 4, the second slope is 4 as well. Alright, so vertical lines and horizontal lines are perpendicular. So as you can see here, they cross, they also make 90 degrees all around. If the product of the slopes of two non-vertical lines is -1, then their lines are perpendicular. So same example as we did before. If we have a slope of 4, remember 4 is going to be 4 for 1 as well. Then if it's perpendicular, it's going to be -1/4. Notice it flips and it becomes a negative. So that's how you know and how you get a perpendicular slope between the first slope that you have. It flips and then you multiply it by a negative. Alright, now let's try example 5. We want to write an equation in slope-intercept form for the line that passes through -2, 4, and is parallel to the graph of y is equal to 6x minus 3. So, we have an equation here, but we also know that we have a point. This will be x1, and that would be y1. First x, first y. That's how we can remember it. So, it also says slope-intercept form, but we have points. So first we're going to put it in point-slope form, then change it to slope-intercept form. So we have y minus y1, which is equal to m times x minus x1. Then we're going to plug in our information. And notice it does say it's going to be parallel. Well, our slope in this case is 6. So, and one slope is 6. And because it's parallel, for this new equation, it's still going to be 6. Keep that in mind. So you want to make sure that you're reading the directions carefully. So y minus y1, which is 4, is equal to m, our new m is still 6, times x minus x1, which is -2. So careful with the two negatives. You don't lose them, they're still there. And we can do our keep, change. Now we have x plus 2. So we have y minus 4 is equal to 6 times x plus 2. I'm going to distribute. We have y minus 4, which is equal to 6x plus 12. And I want to get in the form of y is equal to mx plus b. That means my y needs to be isolated. This 4 needs to move to the right. Opposite of -4 is adding 4 to both sides. Then I have y is equal to 6x plus 16. And then you're done.